Have you ever found yourself pausing halfway up a flight of stairs, wondering when they got so steep? Or maybe you've noticed a slight tremble in your legs after a short walk, a wobble that wasn't there before. It's easy to chalk these things up to just getting older. But what if I told you that's not the whole story? The truth is, weakening legs aren't an inevitable part of aging. It's a sign that our body's natural muscle rebuilding process has slowed down, often because we've stopped asking it to work as hard. Day by day, this slow decline can creep up on us, until one morning, pushing yourself out of a chair feels like a major effort. But it doesn't have to be this way. I'm here to share 4 simple, powerful movements that can act as your personal fountain of youth. These aren't about becoming a bodybuilder. They're about reclaiming your strength, your balance, and your freedom to live life on your own terms. These exercises can save your legs, and in doing so, add vibrant, active years to your life. Before we dive in, I have a quick question for you. Do you believe that physical decline is just a natural part of aging, or do you think we have the power to stay strong as long as we keep our bodies moving? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. Now, let's get into the 4 essential movements to rebuild your leg strength after 50. Movement number 1, the step up. Think of the step up as a daily test of your body's true age. A single step can tell you more about your physical health than the number on your driver's license. I remember a patient, Carol, a 68-year-old grandmother, who told me she dreaded the 3 steps leading to her front porch. She felt unsteady and weak. We started with simple step-ups on a low, sturdy box for just a few minutes each day. 2 months later, she walked into my office beaming. "I'm not just climbing my porch steps anymore, I'm chasing my grandkids around the yard." Each time you perform a step-up, you're not just lifting your body, you're lifting your confidence. This simple motion engages your glutes, thighs, and core all at once. It's a powerhouse for improving balance and preventing falls, turning every step into a statement of strength and independence. Movement number 2, the squat. The squat is the king of all exercises for a reason. It preserves one of the most fundamental dignities of adulthood, the ability to sit down and stand up without help. I often tell my patients, a good squat doesn't just build strong legs, it builds a strong, independent life. You don't need weights or a gym. Simply practicing sitting down and standing up from a sturdy chair without using your hands is a perfect start. Aim for 8 to 10 repetitions a few times a week. This movement strengthens your thighs and glutes, boosts your body's natural muscle repair hormones, and helps you stand taller. It sends a powerful message to your body: I am still strong. I am still capable. Movement number 3, the standing heel raise. Do your feet and ankles ever feel heavy, swollen, or tired after standing for a while? That's a cry for help from your circulatory system. Your calf muscles are known as your body's second heart because they play a crucial role in pumping blood from your legs back up to your heart. A patient of mine, a 72-year-old retired chef named David, loved to cook but found that standing in the kitchen left him in pain. I taught him the standing heel raise, simply rising up onto your balls of your feet, holding for a second, and slowly lowering back down. It seemed too simple to work, but after a few weeks, he reported he could cook for an hour without any pain. This small movement awakens your calves, improving circulation, reducing swelling, and dramatically enhancing your stability. Just 15 to 20 reps a day can make your legs feel lighter and your steps steadier. Movement number 4, breathing and stretching. Finally, let's talk about the invisible medicine, your breath. So many people over 50 complain of fatigue and poor sleep. The culprit is often not age itself, but shallow breathing and chronic muscle tightness. Your breath is the remote control for your nervous system. Taking a few moments to breathe slowly and deeply can calm your mind, lower your heart rate, and improve blood flow. After you exercise, take just 5 minutes for gentle stretching. This keeps your muscles flexible, eases joint pain, and can even prevent those dreaded nighttime leg cramps. It's a simple act of listening to your body, and your body will thank you with a profound sense of peace and ease. Your legs are the engine that powers your life. Losing strength isn't just about losing mobility, it's about losing confidence. But the human body has an incredible capacity to heal and rebuild as long as we give it the right care. Start today, not with a punishing workout, but with these small, consistent steps. A few minutes of breathing, a few gentle stretches, a handful of squats. Your body will respond with renewed strength, flexibility, and vitality. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living a strong, free, and vibrant life after 50.